Boost system performance. Easily increase system performance by adding the speed of an M2 SSD in any 2. 5 SATA application with the M2 SSD to 2. 5in SATA Adapter. Open design maximizes heat dissipation to protect the health of your drive. Broad compatibility. The M2 to SATA converter supports full-length M2 SDD solid-state drives and can mount multiple drive heights including 2230, 2242, 2260, and 2280. Increased transfer speeds. Utilize the full potential of your SATA III controller with an M2 SSD, reducing your data transfer bottleneck with file transfer speeds up to 6 gigabits per second. Operating temperature. -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Supports B key, M+ B key M2 SATA SSDs. Hassle-free setup. This M2 hard drive adapter offers fast and easy setup with no drivers to install. Mounting hardware included with M2 SSD to SATA adapter. Supports 7 mm or larger too. 5 SATA bays. Not compatible with M2 NVMe or AHCI PCI Express SSDs. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it is advertised to do. The product was exactly as described. I got a new motherboard which did not support SATA M2 drives, so I used this to plug it in so I could transfer to a new SSD since I was due for an upgrade anyways. The speeds were as expected for a SATA drive and the build quality and ease of use were solid. It's one of those items where you don't need a manual.